So I'm going to teach you guys how to make rapid infusion cold brew coffee. It's something that you can make with any whipped cream charger like we use at Starbucks. Today we're going to be using the gravitas blend from the roastery. The first thing you want to do is you want to weigh out your coffee. We're going to use 72 grams of coffee. And this is quite a bit of coffee, but it's worth it. We are going to grind our coffee, and we want to make sure that we grind it on the coarsest setting possible, French press. Now that we've ground our coffee, we're going to pour it into our whipped cream canister. This is kind of the tricky part. Okay. And once all the coffee's in there, we're going to add 12 ounces of room temperature water. Want to give it a little swirl, make sure all the grounds are saturated. There. And we're going to put the lid on. And you want to make sure all your gaskets are properly situated, otherwise you'll have a big mess. Give it a good shake. And using the same charger that we use to make whipped cream, the NO2, we're going to use to instantly brew the coffee. And it's done. I'm going to let it sit there for a second and prepare the filter. I like to let it sit for about 1 minute. To strain it, we're just going to use a pour over. And I have it all set up with ice down here. Something else that you can do that's cool that I'm going to do with the Kati Kati is cinnamon and oranges. You can actually go ahead and put them in the canister with it, and that way that flavor infuses into the coffee as well. Okay, so this is the hard part. We want to disarm the canister. We want to get all the gas out without making a huge mess. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. We want to slowly, I usually put my hand over it, squeeze the handle to release the gas. Don't try to do it too fast, otherwise it's not good. Okay. Almost. Okay. So you can see, well, maybe you can't see that actually. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it into our filter, and we're done. So instead of waiting 20 hours to make cold brew, you can make cold brew in less than 5 minutes.